Politics as usual. I took my Frito to Tito in the district. Bless me with some BS, somethings I could live with. Stop fronting, and for the dough I raise, gotta get shit appraised. No disrespect to you, make sure your word is true. I'm taking wages down in Vegas just in case Tyson have a major night off. That's clean money, the tax write-off. You ain't seen money in your life when it comes to this cheese. Y'all like 3 blind mice. I'm smoking bros who pump Willie, I expose the furthest you chilies. Ben is the poker nose. My portfolio leads to Don Corleone, nigga, please. 10-year fellion, heavy on the wrist. I face use with the diamond flooded Jesus and blind your face shoes for life. Shrag, jigger, I keep it tight, nigga. Politics as usual. Feel my triumph never, feel my pain I'm lying. Low in the leather's iron, the best as ever came.